Welcome back to another video. Today we have some coupons from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, maybe to review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Just a quick video for today, not long. So you got the Braun. Let's see if we can make this bigger first of all. You got the Braun 5000 lumen 4 feet LED hanging shop light, $19.99. It's definitely a great light. Definitely recommend it. You got these coupons expire 10/31, so you got about four days or so, 3 or 4 days. So be sure to check them out if you guys need something like this. You got Pittsburgh Automotive 1.5 ton aluminum rapid pump racing floor jack, $59.99. Then you got the Cover Pro 10 feet by 17 feet portable garage, $169. You got the Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, $99.99. You got the Pittsburgh Mechanics Toolkit, 225 piece, $99.99. It's basically one shop, all, pretty much buy all the tools in one little case, carry around case, basically. Me personally, I prefer to choose my own tools, choose my own pliers, choose my own wrenches and stuff like that. But this one, if you're not into that and just want to buy something for the emergency use, for the house, whatnot, then this is good for that DIY stuff. Got the Portland 9.5 amp, 7 amp corded electric pole saw, $59.99. This is great. I do have it. Works great. I did sharpen in the blade after a while, and it works great still, like brand new. You got the 12-inch dual bevel compass sliding miter saw with LED and laser guide. This is definitely a great deal there. Not a great deal, but from what you're getting for this price, you're getting a lot of features. Great saw for $179. You got the McGraw 20-gallon 1.6 horsepower 135 oil lube vertical air compressor, $164.99. It's a good air compressor. It's an upgraded version of the Central Pneumatic. You got the Warrior 4.5 40 grit cut-off wheels, 10 pack, $5.99. These are great. I used them to cut off some metal, some clamps and stuff like that. Just normal stuff around the house. You get multiples. I use this with the Bauer, by the way. The Bauer Barity angle grinder. You got the Haulmaster 30-inch 8 by 18-inch 1,000 pound capacity hardwood dolly, $11.99. I believe they did come out with the handle for these, so they do have it at the store. Got the Warrior titanium drill bit set, 29 piece, $10.99. You got the U.S. General 44 by 22 double brackets for deep cabinets for $49. It's not the best deal, but we haven't seen ever since what is going on now with this illness that's going around. We're probably not gonna see those $3.99 prices ever again, and if we do see them, it's gonna take a while. So $449.99 is the lowest on these. These are great cabinets, great DIY prosumer level cabinets. You could even say you can take them to the shop as a professional. You got a Bauer 8.5 amp corded half-inch heavy duty extreme torque impact wrench, $79.99. You got a torque wrench here, $11.99. Used to be $9.99. Now, like I said, we're not going to see that price ever again, or for a long time, I guess. These are great DIY tools. Don't expect to rebuild an engine on this, because it's not going to be that accurate. For tire rotations, that's perfect. This is a great tool here if you're a mechanic. Earthquake XT is a great line for you to get into, especially if you're starting out. You don't want to spend so much money. This is going to perform quite well. 12 volts max lithium 3/8 cordless extreme torque ratchet wrench kit for just under $100. Got a 7 by 9 feet all-purpose weather resistant tarp, $2.99. These are great. You got the vacuum 6-gallon 4 peak horsepower wet and dry vacuum. That comes with the filter and some accessories there, so you guys see. $44.99. You got a Union safe, 1.5 feet, electronic lock, gun floor safe, $99.99. You got the Thunderbolt Edge alkaline batteries, $4.99. It's a great batteries. Definitely recommend these. Do not get the yellow ones. Yellow ones, they leak, they suck. You got the Bunker Hill Security 1160 Lumen Solar Security Light, $34.99. You got the Franklin type multitask ladder, $99.99. You got the toolkit with the case, 130 piece, $29.99. I do have this in the truck. Works great. The plastic from the case is a little flimsy, but it works. Tools are okay. Still hanging out there. Corded 4.5 angle grinder, very inexpensive angle grinder, does the job. The advantage of having something this low in price, you can buy 3 or 4 of these, have a different wheel on each one, and you're not changing wheels. You have a dedicated tool for each wheel. Got the Badlands 2500 ATV winch or utility winch with the wireless remote control, $54.99. It's great for small vehicles like ATVs and stuff. 580 Lumen tactical flashlight, $9.99. Got aluminum sports chair, $19.99. These are not coupons, by the way. These are just sale items that they have currently. You got the 14-inch or 14-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $89.99. You got the 3,300 pound capacity 2-inch by 27 feet heavy duty ratcheting tight downs, $9.99. Got a 25 feet by 1 quick fine tape measure. This used to be free, $2.19 or $2.19. $2.19. Got 4-ton heavy duty portable hydraulic equipment kit, not just under $100. You got a 7-inch wire stripper with a cutter, $2.99. This is what I need to get. 5-inch multi-purpose vise. If you guys have used any of these vices, let me know down in the comments. If you guys recommend the vise from here or from somewhere else. So $59.99 for that. You got the 12-piece stretch cords, $4.99. You got the adapter set. Pretty much, it's a nice little adapter set. If you put impact drivers on these, they're gonna break. If you put tons of force on these, especially on this little one, it's gonna break. But this is just meant for regular nuts and bolts. Just regular stuff. I mean, you could put an impact driver on this. I mean, I put impact driver on these and I haven't broken one. It's just that if you're just keep in mind that they're not impact rated. Electronic fly insect swatter, but $2.99. It's a killer deal on these. You can get multiple of these. Have multiples around the house. Electronic fly insect swatter, $2.99. This is great. I do have a video on it. It's really funny. Check it out. I'll see if I can link it up above. Basically, I sat myself. I didn't know how that thing worked. And I was just touching it and turned it on with the button. And I just sat myself, basically. If you guys want to look at that, it's in my channel. Just put go Toolhit 147 electronic fly swatter or something like that. You got 6-inch self vacuuming orbital palm sander, $24.99. Clear stacking bin, $2.99. And then you got an angle die grinder, $9.99. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.